Sample! Here it is, everyone. We'll get our cutter thing. I'm happy actually to see people here. Welcome to our third year of Christmas tree cutting. Our third year. These are the things that you need and what not to need. So come on down and follow us. So this is like time lapse. As you can see, this is quite smaller than the tree that we wanted to get. And what do you call this one? Pine. Pine tree. Yeah, and it's a large. What kind? What brand? What brand? Of the long needle. Yeah, we just need the longer needle. So we're allowed to cut something like this, but it has to be the bigger size. This is still a baby. Yeah. And what kind of tree that we're not allowed? So the spruce have the shorter needle, so we're not allowed to cut that. We are only allowed to cut the pine. The pine. Like, perfect one. Yeah. That is the same size as it. Or you. True enough. Or taller. We'll see. Okay, we keep walking. We've been walking for a while. We can't see the perfect one yet, so we'll just keep walking and. Please bear with us as we almost lost our permits. We don't really want to get in trouble by law, but yeah, we're trying not to get in trouble, guys. Okay, see ya. Let's go. I was hoping that one. But I don't want to really climb like last time. Huh? You okay? Yeah. So like we said, this is our third year and I think we found the one. The perfect tree. Yeah? Okay, it's not easy. Okay, let's go! Oh my god, there's something in my teeth. What's up? Have you seen the tree that we needed? We wanted. Yeah, we have a few selection here actually. This is actually not a bad spot to find the perfect one because the sizes are really perfect. See? Should we do this one? There's one over here. This one doesn't have that much branch. Or that one right there. It does have, or because it really is skinny. This one is nice too, actually. Yeah, what do you think? Or should we stick to the first love over there?
I don't like this one. This thing, it has a lot more branches.
But are we following the right?
Oh yeah, good point.
That's not a
spruce, isn't it?
No, let's check again the picture. Let's check again. A few choices right here. It's a nice one. This one doesn't have that much branch. This one too is nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Is that the pine? Oh, actually, this is. Oh, oh God.
What do you think?
Oh my God, which one? This one or the one on the left?
Maybe this one.
The one on the left. Okay. You wanna start, and then I will take out the thing. There's something in the blade. Yeah, you can just start to show everyone how it's done. Okay?
This is actually my first time cutting a tree.
Oh, you did help me last time. No, go lower. So if ever I have to adjust later on. So this is how you want me to hold your bag.
I got it.
So maybe next year we can do the other one. See, I told you it's hard, eh? Yeah, you want me to do the next? I hold your bag so you don't have anything.
Okay.
Wow, it's half already. You're almost there.
Otherwise, it's gonna take up forever. Like you said last time.
Careful. You might fall on your head.
I know. I know what I'm doing. Besides, I've done this so many times. Anyway.
Where?
Yeah.
Here.
Sample! Here it is, everyone. Sid's third real life Christmas tree.
You pick it and it's
All right, you guys.
love it.
See ya.
Go.
Yep.
Drive back to the car and back to Calgary.
Yep.
Say,
How are we supposed to get back?
I think we just follow that one. How do you carry the tree? Muscle. Oh, careful. My God, I might fall off. I don't. Ah! Oh. Oh. Nice tree. Thank you, Lou. Yeah, we'll fix it.
No worries.
There's still people doing some bonfire. So next time maybe we'll go that way. But I like the where we go this year. Thank you. Show them the sign there. Thank you. Because I can always edit it as like it looks like it's the beginning, but it's actually the end.
Yeah.
Oh, no, right?
Yeah.
It's on now?
Yep.
Hi guys, we just got back from the mountains and it's almost dark. So this is our tree this year. And for the next video, it will be putting it up and decoration. So we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching.